Our office is located in Yarraville, which for those that aren't Melburnians, it's an inner western suburbs location adjacent to Footscray. I think importantly for us, it's a location that gives us a lot of flexibility, that it's close to infrastructure, close to public transport. In terms of our priority market, our priority customers, it's on the doorstep of so many of their sites that gives us an ability to service them. It's a great little community to be a part of, awesome food, some great breweries around, so for some Friday afternoon drinks. It's just got a really artsy, warm vibe to it. It's a great little spot, both from practical location, but also to build a team in. Yeah, structurally, we're setting the office up with, obviously an administrative area, but also a functional warehouse with storage to allow us to house plant and equipment to allow the team to function day to day, but also store a base level of equipment and material that allows us to accommodate reactive needs of our customers so that we can minimise our response timelines. I think the potential here is the sky's the limit sort of thing. There's a lot that lays in front of us within the market of Melbourne and Victoria. I think once we've sort of really hit our strides with that core business, there's a lot that we can expand into that will give us that pathway to both grow the team, grow the options and the exposure for them, but also grow our customer base and the business.